Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to open your profile directly from shortcuts on WhatsApp Web using your PC. This feature is part of WhatsApp's handy keyboard shortcuts, designed to make navigation faster and more efficient. Let's get started. First, ensure you're logged into WhatsApp Web. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the WhatsApp Web website. If you haven't already linked your account, scan the QR code displayed on the screen using your phone's WhatsApp app. Once you're logged in, here's the magic trick. Simply press Ctrl plus Alt plus P on your keyboard. This shortcut instantly opens your profile section, where you can view or edit details like your name, about information, and profile picture. It's that simple. No need to click through menus or search for options manually. This shortcut saves time and keeps things streamlined. Whether you're updating your profile or just checking your settings, this quick command makes it effortless. Keyboard shortcuts like this are part of WhatsApp's broader effort to enhance productivity for users on desktop platforms. If you're someone who spends a lot of time messaging on WhatsApp Web, learning these shortcuts can significantly improve your workflow. So go ahead, try it out now. Open WhatsApp Web, press Ctrl plus Alt plus P, and access your profile instantly. If you found this tip helpful, be sure to share it with others who might benefit from it. Thanks for tuning in. Stay connected and explore more ways to make your WhatsApp experience even better.